investiture ceremony for the academic year 2026-27. Today is not just about badges and sashes. It is about celebrating responsibility, leadership, and the trust our institution places in the leaders of tomorrow. I would like everyone to please stand for the prayer. We will start with the prayer.
पद्मपत्रविशालाक्षी पद्मकेशरवर्तिनी नित्यं पद्मालयां देवी सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती विशेषजाड्यापहा।
गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि। Happy? Yes, sir. So many leaders are here. You're all leaders, right? So what is the meaning of leader? Political leader. Then? Anybody know what is the meaning of leader? I'll give you an example. So you know Abdul Kalam, right? So Abdul Kalam is having a guru, Mr. Dhawan. He's the former chairperson for ISRO. So when he was, Mr. Abdul Kalam was director for one program, one ISRO program. That time Dhawan was the chairperson for ISRO. So they launched one project, it's failed. So when it failed, the leader Dhawan came forward and addressed the nation and he accepted the failure of Dhawan's. After a few months, again they launched one more project from ISRO. It is Succeed under the leadership of Mr. Dhawan as a director of Abdul Kalam. So when it is Succeed, so Dhawan encouraged to address Mr. Abdul Kalam to address the nation. So when failure comes, the leader will take it the failures, and when success comes, he'll give success to the team. You got it? So that is the beauty of leader. So leaders always born from the schools only. So you're all leaders. One of the best leader from our family is parent, right? So always we should respect our parents, teachers, and we have to follow it. And coming to this program, so this is the silver jubilee year for our school. So whoever is taking the leadership this year is having more responsibility because they'll get an opportunity to present themselves on the stage in annual day. So whatever you will see, whatever you will observe, now what is your duty, I'll tell you, with the cooperation of teachers, with the support of teachers, whatever you will see, the problems or whatever you try to rectify, start from our dress, uniform, and shoes, and hairstyle, and timings, and discipline, and keeping your students in order. What not everything you need to take care with the support of teachers. Then your leaderships will start from school only. 100% you will become a world-class leaders in future. Okay? I wish you all the best. Ma'am, it is a short speech, I think so. I wish you all the best for success in your life. Thank you. And moreover, I thank the teachers, whoever has took the very good initiation. Okay?
Next, I would like to call upon Principal Ma'am, Rupa Ma'am, to guide our new leaders on this journey. I invite our respected principal to address the gathering and share words of wisdom.
Thank you, ma'am. So I take the pride to be a part of this investiture ceremony. And first, I would like to really appreciate all the teachers, the PET sirs, and each and everyone who has given a part of your hand to make this event. It is going to be a successful event. So I really take the pride to be a part of it. So this ceremony is purely for the leaders. So I can see the leaders are all standing behind because your part is yet to come. I would like to share a very short story, ma'am. Again, a very short story because you have already informed us. So everyone has used a pencil, right? Yeah. Pencil is just a piece of wood. We get it in plastic. We get everything. But it has a lot of meaning. So related to the pencil, because you're all school kids and the leaders, I want you to remember the story all through your life. This is a stepping stone into a leadership in your life. So your leadership quality is right from this stage it is going to start. So there was one small boy who asked his grandmother, Grandma, why are you still holding your school pencil? It has become very small, right? Why are you holding this pencil? It's been very old. So the grandmother said a story. So the grandmother said, see, pencil has a lot of points. First point, it allows the holder, the one who is holding the pencil, right? It allows him to glide through the pages. The pencil will never stay on one place. Stick on one page or a place and say, no, I will not move. It allows the holder to move glidely, very smoothly, very smoothly. So the same way, the leader should be in a position to accept, listen, be in a firm way to go through all situations. It can be an easy situation, it can be a hard situation. You should be very easy to glide through the situations. Second thing, a pencil will take the mistakes, accept it, and allows the eraser to erase it. Right? It will not stay there, right? So the pencil, like same with the pencil, the leader should accept if he has done a mistake and learn through the mistake. A leader is the one who accepts the mistake and learns through the mistake. So the same way, the leader should make sure that he is easygoing. He should also accept he has done a mistake and learns from the mistake. Next, wherever the pencil has been written, something is written, right? It will leave a mark. Even if you erase, you can see a mark, right? The same way, the leader should make leaders. It is not important that leaders will have followers. The more number of followers will never make you famous. But the more number of leaders you have made will only make you proud. So you should always lead with humility. A leader is the person who always stands out and leads the group with humility. He should never be proud. Pride is the first step to downfall. If you feel I am the one, the next minute you will fall down. So a leader is the one who accepts everything, moves lightly, and also leaves a mark. Mark in the sense what? You make the next leader. So those leaders who are standing here, you should be like a pencil. Wherever you are going, not only this GVR. GVR you are going to leave a mark no matter what because you have been elected as a leader. But in your future life, wherever, in your college, in your life, you should always leave a mark like a pencil. Is that, have you understood the story? Right? So it's not only for those leaders. We have leaders in your classrooms, you have bench leaders, right children? So everyone is a leader for yourself, for your character, for your individual person, you are the leader. So you should lead your life with humility and you should always make sure wherever you go, you leave a mark of impression that is in a good way. Is that clear children? So I wish all the best for all the leaders. Whatever you are going to work on, it's going to be a successful day. So thank you so much and thank you teachers.
Thank you very much. Thank you for the inspiring words. Your guidance will undoubtedly be the compass for our student council this year.
Good morning, ma'am. Sir and Principal ma'am and VP. And thank you for giving this opportunity to speak. So, first of all, I would like to say everyone congratulations to our head boy, head girl, and even captains, vice captains, whoever managing us. Okay, so I think I don't need to say anything because already the principal ma'am already told about the written. It is not like a problem. It's like a pride. Yes. So even in the future also, I hope you will be leader in your position. Okay. All the best in your future also. Thank you.
Minister and respected principal ma'am to kindly come forward to confer the badges and sashes upon our young leaders. First to begin with, I would like to call upon the leaders who will spearhead the student body, that is the school captain. Boy, please come forward, Pranit. And the school captain girl, Laharika, to step forward. Claps children, the clap should go on. Leadership is not a feat of keeping our school flag flying high. Should not stop the claps. Laharika, please step forward. Ready, 10th grade. Please, the clap should go on. I would like to call upon the school vice captain. Belgium boy. Naveen, please step forward. will receive their honor. Suraj and Miss Diksha. Fortunately, Diksha is absent. Next, we go with Ignis Group. I would like to invite Ignis Group, Master Science, and Miss Krishna Devi. Congratulations to the Ignis leadership team. Wish you a successful and inspiring tenure. Finally, I would like to invite Heroes Graduates to step forward to receive your guidance honor. Master Finance, and Hindu come forward to receive. We all wish you a very successful session this year. And Aqua Houses representing courage, strength, innovation and harmony. Let us encourage them with a big round of applause.
Forward march!
Group attention! Forward march! Group salute!
With a resounding round of applause. Thank you everyone. Next to the most awaiting. Next, the most awaiting moment, I would request our respected principal ma'am to kindly administer the oath to the all the newly appointed council leaders. Please come forward. Members, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. Close your eyes. Repeat after me. I do solemnly pledge that I will faithfully discharge the duties entrusted to me as a member of the student council. I will uphold the values, discipline, and
traditions of my school.
and traditions of my school.
I will lead by example,
Lead by example,
respect my teachers,
respect my teachers,
support my fellow students,
support my fellow students,
and perform
and perform
my responsibilities
my responsibilities
with honesty,
with honesty,
sincerity,
sincerity,
fairness,
fairness,
and dedication.
and dedication.
I pledge to serve my school
I pledge to serve my school
to the best of my ability
to the best of my ability
and always strive
and always strive
to bring honor
to bring honor
to GDR
to GBR
Global Erudite High School.
Global Erudite High School.
We pledge to uphold
We pledge to uphold
the values of GDR Global Erudite High School,
the values of GBR Global Erudite High School,
lead with integrity,
lead with integrity,
serve with dedication,
serve with dedication,
and inspire
and inspire
through our actions.
through our actions.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Notice, hence, congratulations, you are now officially the torch bearers of our institution. May you lead with humility and inspire everyone around you. Thank you very much. Council leaders will give their valuable speech. We will start with head boy Praneeth.
Principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, and HOD ma'am, and students, and my friends and my juniors. Standing as your head boy here is both privilege and responsibility towards me, and I am grateful for your trust and confidence towards me. And I promise to lead with respect, honesty, and discipline. Let us grow together. Let us go together. Thank you. All the best for your rest of academic year.
Very good, Praneeth. I would like to call Laharika to come forward and speak a few words.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, dignitaries, teachers and all my fellow students. Today is the most memorable and meaningful day of my school life. Standing here today as head girl is a very grateful position for me, and I thank on behalf of the entire student council to everyone for the trust and the confidence you have placed in us. Our school has always been more than a place of learning. It has always inspired us to dream bigger, think wiser, believe in ourselves, and become responsible individuals. So let us together work to make our beloved school proud. Together we lead, together we grow. Thank you everybody and have a wonderful day.
Your words made everyone visualize what's happening in our school. Thank you very much. Next, I would like to call school vice captain, boy Naveen, 9th grade.
Good morning, wonderful present here, respected principal ma'am, VP ma'am, all the teachers and all the my dear friends. I am very happy to be here because thank you for voting me and elected as a vice head boy.
Thank you. The first step, I hope at the end of the year you will be ready with a full page of speech. Yes. Next, I would like to call upon Vice Captain Girl Siri, 9th grade.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, VP ma'am, teachers, seniors and all my dear juniors. I am Siri from grade 9 and it is a great honor for me to stand before as your vice principal. For me, vice principal means vision, strength, purpose and leadership. A true leader doesn't wait for a chance, a true leader creates it. My 4 promises to you is discipline first, unity always, excellence in everything, and supporting our SPLs. And most importantly, I will stand by you, support you, and represent your voice with integrity. And I also support our SPLs. Thank you.
Very good student. Next, I would like to call upon Go Green Squad. Leaders, Tanu, 10th grade.
Good morning everyone, respected principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. It is a great honor to stand before you as the head of Go Green Squad. I will do my best. I will encourage to our school keep clean and neat and healthy. Thank you ma'am.
Hope you will be bound for the words you have said here. Next, Tanoj, 9th grade.
Good morning, everyone. Principal ma'am, teachers, and friends, and my dear friends. It was a great honor to take this responsibility. I will promise everyone to keep our school neat, clean, and eco-friendly. Thank you.
Tanoj. Next, I would like to invite Communication Squad leaders, Harshini, 10th grade.
Good morning respected principal ma'am and VP ma'am and teachers and my dear friends. It is a great honor to stand before you today as a communication staff member. To me, communication is not just about speaking, it is about learning, understanding and respecting others. I will always support my friends and teachers. Thank you.
So, Harshini. Next, Master Ishwar from 9th grade.
Good morning, principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, all the teachers and all my dear friends. So I am proud to be stand before you as literacy captain. So I will try my best to keep our school in the top best. Thank you.
Hope you perform your responsibilities with enthusiasm and dedication. Next, I would like to call upon Cultural Club leader Sai Harshit, 10th grade.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. I'm happy to take up the responsibility of cultural captain. Cultural activities help us to find our hidden talent in us and help us to build self-confidence and I will look forward to encourage everyone with enthusiasm and make every celebration a joyful and a memorable celebration for our school. Thank you, your cultural captain, Nana Sahashil Kumar, signing off.
Thank you for already seen your skill and talent we have seen. So, thank you very much. Next, Rakshana, 9th grade. Come forward.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, VP ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Rakshana from grade 9 and I am grateful to be chosen as a cultural leader. I promise to bring creativity, joy and team spirit to every event and make beautiful memories together. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Yes, Rakshana, promises are to be kept and I hope everyone will keep their promise. Next, our sports club squad leader, Yuvraj. Please come forward.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am and vice principal ma'am, every teacher and every student and my dear friends. I am here as your sports captain. I like to encourage you all to participate in every game and I will like to encourage you all. Thank you.
Encouragement is what is needed. It is a word, but it has more weightage, right? Next, I would like to invite the house captains, Terra House. Sorry, Pratiksha, please come forward. 9th grade.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers and all who are gathered here. I am Pratisha from grade 9. I am very happy and honored to be selected as a sports leader. I will encourage every student to participate in sports. Thank you.
May you always be very happy. Next, I would like to invite the house captains. Terra House, Puneet from 9th grade. Please come forward.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, teachers and my friends. Myself Puneet from 9th grade. And it was great pride and gratitude that I stand before you today as Terra House captain. And it was great privilege to represent the Terra House. And I sincerely appreciate the trust and confidence placed in me. I promise to lead with integrity, work with dedication and encourage teamwork in every challenge we face. Together we will celebrate our success with humility and encourage teamwork in every challenge we face. Thank you.
You have got many words with a lot of weightage. They mean a lot. So let it not be through words. It should be in their work which you do. Thank you. Next, Sharmi.
Good morning everyone, myself Sharmi from grade 9. Respected and my dear friends, I'm truly honored to stand before you as the Terra House captain. Thanks for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I promise to lead with honesty, teamwork, and responsibility to my Terra brothers. Let us work together and give our best in every activity and make our house proud. I also extend my best wishes to all the school leaders. Thanks. Thank you.
Next, I would like to call upon Aqua House leaders, Suraj from 9th grade.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, respected vice principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. I am Suraj from 9th grade. I am proud to be stand before you as a house captain of Aqua. We will work as a team and make our house proud. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Is it only your house? Is it only your house? No, your entire school, right? Because you represent adaptability, unity, and calm determination, right? Next, Viksha. I think Viksha is absent. Next, I would like to go to Ignis House leaders. Saina, Master Saina, 9th grade, come forward. Your house represents passion, courage, and excellence.
Respected principal ma'am and vice principal, good morning everyone present here. As a captain of Ignis, I will work with gratitude and values. I will responsible for my team Ignis. Thank you.
You should be always thankful to whatever you have. So gratitude is the word which tells everything. Gratitude is that word which defines a person. You should always be thankful, right? Next, Krishna Devi, 9th grade. Ignis House, girls' high.
Good morning everyone, respected principal ma'am, VP ma'am and all my dear friends and teachers. It is a great privilege to stand before you as the house captain of Ignis Group. Ignis Group which is formed through strength and determination. Like that, together we will form together we will learn, lead and succeed. Like Ignis Rock, with confidence we will learn, lead and succeed. Thank you. And make our Ignis Group the symbol of excellence and proud. Thank you.
Everyone is speaking about their individual lives. Okay, let's see. At the end of the day, they will come to this. Yes. So the last, Aero House, team members, team leaders, fires, master fires, come forward. Your house represents vision, innovation, and limitless possibilities.
Good morning, principal ma'am and vice principal ma'am, who are present here. I am Faiz from grade 9. I am the house captain of Aero. It is a great opportunity to have, and I will not disappoint my housemates, and I will support them to make our house proud. Thank you.
Indu, Miss Indu from 9th grade, to represent the Erum House. Come forward.
Good morning, everyone. Respected principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, my dear friends and teachers. My name is Sindhu. I am from 9th grade. I am honored and grateful to be selected as the house captain of Aram Group. I promise to lead with honesty, responsibility, teamwork, to do always my best for our house. Thank you for your trust and support.
Thank you, Indu. Thank you very much. To conclude this program, finally, I would again like to congratulate all the leaders who have been elected. Congratulations, and please give a huge round of applause to all of them. This occasion, I would like to conclude through vote of thanks given by VP Ma'am Sudama. Please present the vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. It is my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on the special occasion of our English teacher ceremony. First of all, I express my heartfelt gratitude to our respected principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear students for gracing this event with their presence and making it memorable. I sincerely congratulate all the newly elected student leaders. May you lead with honesty, responsibility, and dedication and become role models for your fellow students. Yes or no? Say it loudly.
Yes, ma'am.
A special word of appreciation goes to our key teachers and staff members for their hard work and support for making students better and I thank each and everyone for your valuable time, encouragement and cooperation. And have a wonderful day. Thank you and congratulations once again for the team leaders.
I would like everyone to please stand for the national anthem. It has been a very nice day for me. I would like to congratulate everyone and my sincere request to all the students to follow the footprints of your leaders. You have to listen to them, right? And maintain the discipline, whatever you very well know. You have to please go through the instructions, whatever is given to you, and let us make our school proud and take GVR to the next level. That is only my aim or goal, whatever it may be as a teacher. Be happy. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, teachers and my dear students. Congratulations for everyone who are selected as a council member and a successful tenure. Thank you.
Thank you. Respected children, sir, we have principal ma'am and vice principal ma'am, Latika ma'am. Good morning, a very good morning to everyone. First of all, congratulations to all the leaders who are elected. I hope you will keep the promises that you have made to your friends and try your best to fulfill the promises that you have made. Make sure that first you should be in proper way so that you can guide your fellow students. So I hope you will do that and always be in a positive attitude and help your students, help your friends and respect the teachers. Thank you very much for this great opportunity and I would like to thank the management for supporting every event, whatever we request, they are supporting us. So that is the reason we are able to do all this. And we should always be thankful. The leaders, the badges, the sashes, whatever you are receiving, it is all possible because we are having a great supportive management. Without them, this is not possible. And
PT sirs, especially thank you so much, sir. You have done a great hard work. You trained the students with a given limited time. Thank you so much. And the students also did well. We hope more to see in the future. And all the very best children. Have a wonderful journey. Thank you. Madhuri ma'am, please. As a class teacher, we would like to ask you to speak a few words. Yes, please. Congratulate your students on this occasion.
Vice Principal Ma'am, Latika Ma'am, and my dear teachers and the students, congratulations who are elected as the responsibilities you have. So I think everyone should follow it. All the best.
And all teachers and all my dear students. I want to congratulate all of you. All the best. Thank you.
All dear students, congratulations to each and everyone.
Good morning, everyone. Congratulations to whoever papers won. I hope you do your duties faithfully. And congratulations once again. Thank you.
Chairman sir, respected Principal ma'am, respected Vice Principal ma'am, and Latika ma'am, and my dear colleagues, students, I am very happy to see this kind of mixture in our ground. And who are appointed as leaders, first I congratulate them. But don't work for your team. This is whole school team. Please, you have to work for school, not for yourselves. Okay, now keep it in the mind and be united. Right. Thank you.
First of all, congratulations to all the winners. Okay. Now you are in leaders. Okay, na? You are the leaders. Yes, sir. Say loudly.
Yes, sir.
So you should follow the rules. Okay. First, man follow and automatically next student చెప్పగలరు. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
These many days only 3 PDs in our school. Now you are also responsibility. Okay na? Responsibility be good on the road. Okay? Don't forget that. Okay? Thank you. And congratulations to all.
All the leaders, congratulations. ఈ రోజు యూనివర్సిటీ సెరమనీ లీడర్స్ జరుపుకుంటున్నాము మనం. లీడర్స్ అంటే బాధ్యత మన పైన ఉంటుంది. క్రమశిక్షణ ఫస్ట్. క్రమశిక్షణ అనేది ఉంటేనే మనం ముందుకు వెళ్ళగలుగుతాం. క్రమశిక్షణ లేకపోతే ముందుకు వెళ్ళలేము. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Good morning, ma'am. Selected boys, congratulations. Thank you.